All right. Pretty decent day today. Let's see if my live stream is showing up or not. It is. All right. Fire. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. What is up, everybody? Two people watching. What is up? How's it going, everybody? Took a trade today. I missed my opportunity to enter here like this. Would have been a 1 pip stop loss, and I would have been like 15R right now. But I missed it because I was at work, so I re-entered here. Stop loss was here. Uh, and yeah, took the trade. What up? What up? We got two people. What's up, everybody? I mean, the two people watching. I don't know how the audio is. Let me just try listening to it. Is it even audible? What the fuck? What up? What up? We got two people. What's up, everybody? I mean, okay. People watching. Yeah, it's working. All right. Cool. Yo, yo. What is up? All right, bro. You gotta help me pronounce your name. It's EASI. AC? AC? Is that how you say your name? What is up? What are you thinking of today's price action, or do you just charge and see, bro? So what I'm hoping right now is you can see here this red line that I have. Last night when I took the short, I mean I wanted to take this short, but I took the short like this. This is the right trade. That's how I took it, and I got stopped out because of that trading stop loss. I feel like I'm being a little nervous, which is why I'm like fucking could have made fucking 2,000 on this trade. And again, on this trade, bro, I risked 0.5%, so I would have made like $3,500 on this trade. But trading stop loss, so I'm only up like 1,300 profit on my funded account. So yeah, bro. um, but yeah, man. What I wanted to say was, you see the previous day lows are right here, and also this low, it did take out this low, right? But it didn't take out this low. So as you can see, these are relative equal lows here, which is why I have this alert over here, and we have the previous day lows here, right? You see here, what I see here is the price did this, right? It made a range to the downside, and then it came here, but it didn't take out the low, and then just continued to go up, which is why I was looking for an entry opportunity, but only if the price comes and takes out this low, you know, and it didn't do that, which is why I didn't get along yesterday on here. So I was like, I know for a fact there's liquidity here, and in ICT's terms, this is low resistance liquidity, you know, because this did not take out the low. If it would have taken out the low, then it would have been high resistance, you know, then the possibility of this low being taken out would have been low. But since this low was not taken out, this is a very liquid place to be at. So, and again, this line is for relative equal lows. So I want to see the price trade into it, you see? So I want to see the price trade into it, and I want to go for longs. So if the previous day low, which is over here, if that is taken out, then we will be able to long until previous day highs, because today is Wednesday, and if Tuesdays are not the high of the week, then Wednesdays are. So so this Tuesday high, right? But guess what? The Asian high was never taken out, right? Which is also now the previous day high, and we have the Asian highs over here. There's hella liquidity up top, you see? So because there's hella liquidity up top, my goal is to go up, right? So I want the price to go up. Preferably, it takes out the previous day low. Hopefully, it hits this zone of mine, because I make zones very mechanically. I don't think there's any intention, like if the price breaks this low, there's the intention of the price is to continue going down, and I'm just like extremely wrong about my analysis, right? But if the price does come down, take out the previous day low, it doesn't have to tap into this block, but if it does, that would be fire. If that happens, and if we get change in state of delivery inside of this, then I'm entering a trade and I'm aiming for the previous day highs. Now, because my funded account has consistency rules of 35%, I'm planning not to make more than $3,500 in a day. So because I'm already up $1,600 for the day, I can only make like $2,000 more, or maybe a little less than that, you know? So I'm gonna risk only 0.25%. Yeah, indicator name. Sorry guys, I forgot. Do you wait for the previous to be taken before forming the weekly candle, or high, low or high? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get back to that question, but before that, let me reply to Pikachu. That is my indicator, bro. Let me send this to you. It is for free for everybody. You guys can use it. I'm assuming you're talking about the higher time frame candles. So yeah. Finally the same outlook as you, lol. That's fire, bro. Brandon, what is up, bro? Yeah, Brandon, that's fire, bro. Laura. Yeah, that's fire, man. Okay, easy. All right, you said Issei, right? Issei? Yeah. Do you wait for the previous day to be taken, forming the weekly candle, lower high? Bro, liquidity grab on any, so like, you know, previous day, previous minute, previous hour high or low candles, all of them have liquidity above and below, right? At the high and the low. That's just how it is. So so basically, I think, you know, like so yeah, it's very high probability if you know, the higher low is gonna be taken out. All right, we have SMT here right now. everybody, like a lot of people would be like, I could take a short from here, and they would mark one of these as an order block or whatever. But there, I like to look at markets in a certain way. There is no order block present here. This is no order block, no mitigation block, no propulsion block here. If the price goes down, all good. But because there is no POI to take a short from, I'm not gonna enter any shorts until this low or the previous day low. I'm already in profit, so I'm chilling. So we're good. Um, yeah. All right. Wait. I need the fucking chat to be right next to me, man. I miss out on the. Uh, Low, low. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I get it, bro. It's Brandon. I wanted you to tap into the 1 hour fair value gap, but I saw 50-minute fair value gap and then 1 minute IFVG, so I just entered using 7 pip stop loss. I exit as soon as DXY took previous. I see, bro. That's fire, bro. That is a very good analysis. For me, man, I missed out on my entry. My entry was going to be. Let me show you what my entry was gonna be. Yeah, my entry was going to be right here, and my stop loss was going to be here. It was gonna be a 1.2 pip stop loss, and I would have hit a 15-hour trade. But I checked the chart when the price was here, bro. I checked when the price was here. I was like, fuck this. And then I put an alert on here, right? Limit order. My order never got tapped into, bro. So I was like, fuck this. But that time my stop loss was here. But then I saw a few things here. I was like, there's no way the price, you see here, right? The reason why I put my stop loss here in the next trade was because you see this high has already been taken out. So there's no intention for the price to go up above that, right? So which is why I put my entry here. And there's also, again, liquidity above this, right? So some people call it inducement, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But yeah, the price went into this. Then we had a CSD here, very clean. And then we took the short from here. So yeah. But damn, 1 minute just gives me chills unless trading NQ futures. I see, bro. Yeah. Not for me anymore, bro. Like the smallest stop loss which I've ever had is 0.8 pips. And I'm used to it now. but I get you, bro. I get you. My entry model is very mechanical. Like the reason why I put my stop loss here, right? I told you the reason, but also why I put my entry right here. There's another reason for it. It's very mechanical. The moment I saw CSD on here, I was chilling. But yeah. I would be pissed if EU takes out PD low now. It will, bro. I guess it will, but don't take my word for it. Do your own thing. Yeah. So something certain happened. I'm not talking about the SMT here, but this and this candlestick, right? Something happened here, which tells me, and it's not the bullish engulfing. Something else happened here, which tells me the price wants to continue traveling down. So, again, I could be wrong completely. So don't take my word for it. But yeah, that's what's up. 8 people watching. What is up, guys? Welcome. Sorry, I don't have the camera turned on today either. First trade in EU after FOMC. What the fuck? Yeah, but you did short though, right? So I guess you're in profit right now. What are you trading? Who are you trading with? I took this trade on this, so today it's 1600, but I'm 1300 up because I lost that. I'm aiming for a $10,000 payout, so $3,000 on the day maximum, 35%. 30, that would be like 33%. Actually, I'll have to make it more. Fuck. But yeah, fuck that. Anyway, and on the challenge, I'm up 1.6%. So I'm chilling. Easy. Yeah. See you guys. Now the price is kind of going up, right? Like I said, this zone, wherever, like there's no order block. I cannot even mark anything. This is not an order block right here. The last thing that you have is like an order block which has been tapped into several fucking times, which is this one. So it's like it's invalid now. So there's nothing stopping the price from going up. So if the price goes up, all good. I'm chilling. There's nothing stopping the price from going up. The only thing stopping here is this propulsion block right here. But yeah. I exited 1% phase 2. That's fire, bro. Actually, Brandon, there's another Naga guy. I think his name is Imsong. Which tribe are you, by the way, Brandon? There's one owl guy. I think his name was like Imsong. Something Imsong. Yeah, this one. I think he lived in Delhi. Now he's back. He's also funded with QT. He's from Nagaland as well. Fato thinks, hey, that's what's up, bro. Much love, brother. TNT. I'm gonna use this code when I buy a challenge with Thunder Pro. Use code TNT. You get 20% off. Uh, not even my uh code. It's just his. I have no affiliate. I see, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know shit about your tribe, bro. My girlfriend is Lota. Um. Oh, so wait. So you are like from the Owl. Oh, you know him too? Oh, that's fire, bro. How do you know him? Yeah. Fire, fire. Okay, guys. I'm gonna open the chat on my phone. Gonna. Oh, my best friend texted me, James. You should be very proud. Bro, I sent my best friend James a message saying, bro, fuck man, I would have made like fucking $3,000 on this, right? But I only made like $1,300 in profit. I made 1,600, but like 1,300 in profit. And my government job, right, which I work, it pays me £300 a month, which is like actually a little more now. I get like £400 now. He's like, bro, you make £400 a month. You should be proud, you know? But yeah.